later, there comes a point in each one of our lives when we commit to getting better, right? It may be with health, wealth, personal or professional goals. As you are progressing towards your goals, it is inevitable that you appear better than others because you are. But the problem is, you're also stirring up the feeling of discontent and inferiority in others. And that is dangerous and could become a major obstacle in your journey. For the sake of context, let's imagine that you're having a sudden improvement at work, an unexpected promotion or a successful project. This is sure to bring envy among your peers, and it is very human. Unfortunately, envy creates silent enemies. You don't want your own people working against you, isn't it? Here is what you can do to deal with the destructive emotion of envy. The best option would be to avoid creating the feeling of envy in the first place. You should plan to stop it before it grows. Become conscious of those actions and qualities that create envy. You may want to downplay your success and emphasize the role of luck, and you could also put people at ease by acting humbly, as if nothing has changed. As the famous proverb goes, it takes great talent and skill to conceal one's talent and skill. And if the envy has already been developed, then you need to first recognize it. Do not naively accept the appearance they show you. Read between the lines of their criticism, sarcastic remarks, signs of betrayal or excessive praise. Half the problem comes when you do not spot it until it's too late. All the best.